Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about how to build a skincare routine for young Indians. Skincare is an essential part of personal grooming, and having a proper skincare routine can help you achieve healthy, glowing skin. So, let's get started. Step 1. Identify your skin type. The first step to building a skincare routine is to identify your skin type. The three main skin types are oily, dry, and combination. Oily skin tends to produce excess oil, dry skin lacks moisture, and combination skin has oily and dry areas. Once you know your skin type, you can choose skincare products that are suitable for your skin. Step 2. Cleanse. The next step is to cleanse your skin. Cleansing removes dirt, oil, and impurities from your skin, which can cause breakouts and other skin issues. Choose a gentle cleanser that is suitable for your skin type and use it twice a day, in the morning and before bed. Step 3. Exfoliate. Exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, which can help prevent acne and other skin issues. However, it's important not to overdo it, as this can irritate your skin. Exfoliate once or twice a week, depending on your skin type. Step 4. Tone. Toning helps to balance your skin's pH level and prepare it for the next step. Choose a toner that is suitable for your skin type and apply it after cleansing. Step 5. Serum. Serums are packed with active ingredients that can help to target specific skin concerns such as acne, dark spots, and fine lines. Choose a serum that is suitable for your skin type and apply it after toning. Step 6. Moisturize. Moisturizing helps to keep your skin hydrated and prevent dryness. Choose a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type and apply it after using serum. Step 7. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is an essential part of any skincare routine, as it helps to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Choose a sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher and apply it every day, even if it's cloudy outside. And that's it, a simple skincare routine for young Indians. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so make sure to stick to your routine for best results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and tutorials.